How do I make an excuse to get away from somewhere? How do I fool my friends?
Hey guys, welcome to Free From Camp channel. Well, before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Step 1. Write fake call and SMS in Google Play Store. Search. Step 2. Download this app. Step 3. Open the Call Assistant application.
How to make fake call.
Step 4. Click on the caller section and fill in the information. Step 5. Determine time. If you wanna have a quality call, I made a video about Google Meet. I've posted its link above for you to watch after this video is finished. Step 6. Select a sound for calling. Step 7. Here you can add a voice to call that someone is talking to you. Hey son, come here real fast. We have big problem. Step 8. Choose a theme for your phone.
How to send fake message.
Step 9. Determine time and informations. Step 10. Set Call Assistant app as your default SMS app. Well, this part is over. If you like this type of content, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I won't take up your time again. Goodbye.